Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn dairy products vocabulary. Dairy products include milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, and cream. These are common foods made from milk. Milk is a white liquid that comes from cows. We drink milk and use it in cereal and coffee. Cheese is made from pressed milk curds. Different cheeses have different tastes and textures. Yogurt is fermented milk. Bacteria change milk into yogurt. We eat yogurt with fruit or plain. Butter is made by churning cream. Butter gives rich flavor to bread and cooking. Cream is the thick fatty part that rises to the top of milk. Cream makes food rich and smooth. We add cream to coffee, soups, and desserts. Cream whips into whipped cream. Now practice pronunciation. Milk sounds like milk with short I sound. Cheese sounds like cheese. Yogurt sounds like yogurt. Butter sounds like butter. Say these words with me. Use dairy words in sentences. Many people enjoy dairy products like milk and yogurt. Cream cheese has smooth texture. Butter is used in baking. Cheese adds flavor to dishes. Dairy has cultural importance. In India, milk is sacred for Hindu rituals and ceremonies. In France, people enjoy many cheese varieties. Cheese comes at the end of dinner. India produces the most milk in the world. The country makes 247 million tons yearly. Each person drinks about 485 grams daily. Production grows 5.7% each year. Dairy affects the environment. It creates 3% of global greenhouse gases. 1 liter of milk needs 628 liters of water. Cows use 9 square meters of land per liter. Dairy makes 30% of methane. Dairy industry changes. Functional dairy adds probiotics and vitamins for health. Smart farming uses artificial intelligence. Sustainable products protect environment. Practice these dairy words every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.